Today, we're back with another construction update from the stadium, where several areas are showing steady progress. From structural work in the Tribune Area to major improvements at the diamond entrance and rapid seating installation in the south goal, there are multiple developments happening around the site. Let's go through the latest updates from each section. Work in the Tribune Area continues with steady activity. The left side steel structure is now almost completely covered with sandwich panels, showing clear progress compared to previous days. Workers are also active around the beams using lifting platforms to secure bolts and structural brackets, while concrete pumping work is taking place in the lower levels as crews pour concrete for flooring sections. The diamond entrance area shows clear improvement compared to previous days. All the glass panels around the entrance have now been installed, including the 3 panels above the doorway that were still missing earlier. With the glass now in place, the façade looks much more complete, while workers continue finishing structural details on the upper frame. The south goal stand continues to progress at an impressive speed with the installation of prefabricated seating structures. The third tier of seating is now very close to completion, with only a small section still remaining. At the current pace, this tier could be structurally finished within about a week, while the seats and roof will be installed later. Installation of the decorative lamas under the false ceiling in the south goal area is steadily advancing. Workers have extended the lamas across most of the section, with the left side nearly complete and only a small portion remaining on the right. Before finishing the installation, crews are painting the steel beams above to prevent stains on the panels. Work continues in the north goal corner around the scaffolding structures where future structural elements will be installed. Crews are preparing the upper sections with formwork panels that appear ready for reinforcement or concrete work, while workers remain active in this area preparing the structure for the next phase. The central north goal section is showing steady progress. Workers are installing metal bars along the front edge of the cantilever while lifting platforms help position structural pieces. Inside the scaffolding, crews continue building the elevator shaft structures, which already look quite advanced. At the final corner of the stadium walk-around, workers are clearing construction materials from the ground area and loading large bags onto trucks to remove them from the site. Structurally, the supports in this corner appear almost fully installed, with only a few vertical connectors still missing before the next phase begins. That's all for today's construction update. Progress continues across multiple sections of the stadium, and it's clear that the project is steadily moving forward. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stadium construction updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.